Today's episode is all about moving day. We move on site, which is really exciting. We packed everything up. I think 11 months we were on site.
11 months we were at the RV park, and we had 3 different sites in that time at the RV park. But this episode is all about getting the rig up to our land.
Up the hill, onto the hill, which is really exciting. And how we pack up, how we move, and then a little bit about breaking down camp and getting all set up. So very exciting. We finally made it. It's been a lot of work, and hope you enjoy. What do we do today?
Well, we made a lawn.
We made the lawn. Look at this. Now there was some grass there already from some seed we put down a while ago. But we reseeded, pulled all the weeds, and what is this called? Topper?
Yeah.
Topsoil?
It's made of back guano and chicken poop and
all
some
that good
dirt.
All that good stuff. We got some flowers, so we're on the concrete slab right here. And next Wednesday, which today is what? Today's Friday. Today's Friday, so next Wednesday we will officially be here. We got to play in the dirt today. So yeah, we got our full hookups over here. We got our water, we got our power, and oh yeah, we were just approved for septic, so that should start on Monday or Tuesday. There's our septic, there's our water, and here's our power. That's for our cable eventually. Apparently it's going to take quite a while. Well, today's a big day. We are moving. We've been at this site for 11 months, which is crazy, and the site is ready for us. We're gonna move up on site. It's been 11 months since we've moved, and now we were gonna get going and move on site for a more permanent situation. So if I didn't have this checklist, I would be totally overwhelmed with what to do. We've spent the last 11 months with our basement completely thrashed. I need to take everything out of the basement, reorganize it, and put it back in. So that's going to be a fun project. I gotta do some WD-40 stuff and then sweep the slides up on the roof. So that's what I'm doing next. So putting a little grease on the slide here, or on the hitch. We have an auto slide hitch. So putting a little grease on it makes a huge difference, because it makes a horrible sound. We're not driving very far, but this is part of my checklist, and I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty nasty. It hasn't been greased up in a while, so this is a good idea. I do this every single time we move, but definitely need to do it now. So when we stay in a place like this that has a lot of pine trees, you get a lot of this stuff on top of the slides. A lot of people have slide toppers, which are really cool. We just don't. And last night, the night before last, was a big windstorm, blew tons of pine needles and pine cones down. So I just sweep it off, and then that way we can pull the slides in without like pulling in all that other junk. next on the list is collect the X-chocks and check the tire pressure. There are two tools I need. I need the air pressure tool and I need this guy, which is what gets the X-chocks out. Oh, cool. Hey, tell us what you're doing there, Nicole.
I'm grabbing these green stuff.
Yeah? Why are you doing that?
Because it's my job.
That's your job, that's right. We had a big windstorm and Nicole's cleaning up the site here, right?
Yep.
Good job, sweetie.
That's why I'm wearing a tank top.
Cool, I like your tank top.
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's go ahead and check the tires and collect the X-chocks. So, I mean, the tires look good. I'm also checking the tread while I'm under here. There are an enormous amount of spider webs, so that's exciting. The next item is to wash down the rig and clean the dishes, and this has to do with water, using the water because I'm about to detach the water. All these things have to be done in a specific order. So I'm not going to wash down the rig because this RV park doesn't really want you to do that, and it kind of takes a long time. But we have plenty of water where we're going out on our property. We have a well with a ton of water, apparently unlimited water supply. So I'm not going to wash the rig down, but I am going to go clean the dishes. That'll make Lisa happy. So, snack break. All right, now it's time to dump the black tanks and the gray tanks and all the tanks and get all the hoses pulled in and get all that set and ready. Now I'm going to close the black tanks and turn on the cleaning system, turn on the water, which connects right here, and it sprays and cleans the system out. Normally I do this for about 7 minutes, but the water pressure is really low here, so I'm going to do about 10 or 12 minutes, and I'm going to do that 3 times, and that'll clean the whole thing out. Next thing to do on the list is to pull the slides in. How are we doing on that, Liz?
I'm just about to start. Just so we don't forget, the giraffe and the turtle are under the pillows in there, so we don't
Got it.
annihilate them.
All right, so wow, it looks great in here. Lisa's cleaned up everything, and we haven't seen it like this in a while. So, not to say that it's not always clean in here, but you know.
Choose your words wisely.
All right, so now the slides come in. I'm gonna put in the bunk room. Is that cool?
Yes.
Slide 3 coming in. Wait.
No.
Slide 4 coming in. Slide
I don't know which one it is.
Slide 4 coming in. Yeah.
Oh.
I remember. That's not on your checklist? The last thing, we have all the slides are in, everything's ready to go, ready to hook up. I gotta pull the hoses in, the sewer hose and the water connection, and then we're ready to go. 11 months, it's been 11 months. Can't believe it. We're at the point where time to put the gloves on, which means what?
You're unhooking the sewer hose.
And why do we wear gloves?
Because it's the sewer hose.
Because it's the sewer hose. All right, time to do it. So that wasn't too bad. Not bad for not doing this for a while. What do you think?
I think it's time to auto connect.
Wow. All right, let's do it. What's it called?
Auto connect.
Auto connect, and this brings it back to the same level so the hitch can go in. So go for it. Well, this should be interesting. Lisa wants to hook it up. She knows how to do this. She's done it 2 or 3 times, but the cover is on the back, so it's like very, very difficult to get it on because you can't see the connection. So let's see how she does.
What if she gets it on the first?
If she gets it on the first try, that'll be amazing. You're not close. You need to go this way.
Let me see. That is like almost dead center.
Okay, go for it. Dead center, she says. I bet you'd be perfect. Go for it. You got it. I believe in you. Oh my goodness.
First try, blind.
Nice.
I told you it was dead center.
Good job, Mom.
Well, looks like I gotta eat a little crow. Because that was pretty amazing.
It's great, Mom. Better than Dad.
I forgot to plug it in. Front jacks go up, which puts the weight on the truck. All you gotta do now is just drive away. Everybody seatbelted in?
Yep.
Here we go. We're on the road, long drive today, heading all the way.
Minutes.
No, it's 30 minutes. So we're excited. Lisa's behind us in the RAV4, and we're heading out to the property. So pretty cool. We made it out of the park. Probably one of our slower times getting out of an RV park, but we're a little out of practice. So yeah, here we go. 30 minutes, long drive today.
Stay on the spot.
Wow. Our house has moved.
Woohoo!
We're home!
We're home! Well, hope that was fun for you guys to see our little slice of paradise there up on the hill. As you can tell, we're still enjoying paradise here in Kona. And we will catch up with you again soon. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a thumbs up.
Comment below, all that stuff.
We'll see you soon.